Hey, good morning, everybody. Shane here from the Brookings home team, which it says right above here, powered by Century 21. I got Mark Waterman from Great Western Bank here this morning for our 8:15 Monday morning mortgage tip. I hope everybody had a great weekend. NFL started, exciting stuff, so we're 1-0.
The Vikings, right?
Yes. Boo. No, but so great Bears Packers game last night. That was fun to watch. But we're not here for any of that. We're going to talk a little bit about mortgages and what kind of tip you have for our group here today. So,
okay, thank you, Shane. So the Monday morning mortgage tip that I had, I recently just helped a customer close on their loan at the end of last month. And something came up during that loan process that I thought would be something good to kind of reiterate. But whether you're thinking about applying in the very near future, or you have applied, or you're pre-approved, or you've signed a purchase agreement, no matter where you are in that process between thinking about buying a house and actually closing on a house, you need to pay special attention to two things. One, making your monthly payments on time. I mean, it's very crucial during that period. But then the second thing, and this is actually came up when I was dealing with my clients, that they took out some additional credit during the process. Well, during the time that you apply, and basically from when you apply to when you close, the bank is monitoring essentially your social security numbers, and making sure that you're not taking out any additional debt. The reason for that, if you take out additional debt, we have to factor that into your monthly payments. And so that debt ratio, if you're qualified but you're kind of on the fringe, and then you take out some additional debt, that may put you over to where you no longer qualify. So it's very important before you take out any additional credit cards, go buy new furniture, buy a different truck, something along those lines. It's very important that you have the conversation with your mortgage loan officer to make sure that you would still qualify with that monthly payment, and that it's not gonna throw you out of qualifying. Because obviously that's it's an awkward situation for everybody at that point, and we certainly, our job is to get you to qualify. So we don't want that any more than you or the person you're buying the house from, or your realtor. And so it's just important, have the conversation before you take out any additional debt, before you raise credit limits, things of that nature. Visit with the loan officer that you're dealing with. So.
Good stuff. Yeah, it's always important. And us at the Brookings Home Team, we do send out a congratulations letter that does kind of specify, don't take any more credit, and talk to your lenders before you do any major purchases there. So good information. If you do have any questions for Mark, feel free to reach out to him. All of his information will be on the top, on the bottom, or on the sides, wherever your device allows you to see it. And feel free to share this with anybody else that you think would be interested in listening to this tip here as well, along with any other tips that we might have there. But again, all of his information for Mark will be available in this post. And of course, you can reach out to me too if you have any questions. If you do have any questions going forward for Mark or myself, feel free to mention those in the comments as well. So that will do it for this Monday morning mortgage tip.
You bet.
I'm heading to North Dakota this week for our state convention. Are you going to be there at all?
No. I'll be in the office all week. So
okay. So somebody's going to stay here and work. That's
there.
Good.
You go.
That's
Absolutely.
Good. You bet. So thanks again, guys, for watching. You guys have a great week, and we'll be back in touch next week. Have a good one.
Thank you.